What are we cooking? Are we not? What are we cooking? Molweni babethunana, it's me known as Undando Kalaba, the first and the last Indoni Bethunana TV presenter. It's me all the way Bethunana from Cape Town actually. Right now babethunana ndicela unazisa ukuthi this is the second episode of Cooking with Thunder. Babethunana, if you want to watch more of my content, you can also find me on TikTok, you can also find me on Instagram, you can also find me nalapha babethunana apha ku YouTube channel wam. Babethu, let's celebrate 2K family members on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Babethunana. I really appreciate it. Uyayiqonda mntaseka you achieve 2,000 subscribers. It's a lot, but therefore Babethunana ke guys, andika andikaholi kule nyanga actually, because inyanga ayikapheli. I-date namhlanje guys is the 29th of June 2025. So yeah. And babethunana, this is my last time having this hairstyle today. This is my last day having this hairstyle because ngomso ngichibinqayi guys, and uyayazi mos ukuthi ngifuna ndemhle guys. Sithanda labantu abathe sithanda abantu abathe abahle. Woo! Hairstyle yami uyayibona guys. Yo! It's fine, by the way. So yeah guys, today guys I'm gonna cook. I will be cooking noodles, and only noodles. Then sibene juice, which is my juice is gonna be Oros. I don't know if you guys the Oros, but guys, it seems like once I say Oros, it seems like I'm pronouncing it wrong, because I don't like pronouncing it Oros. I like pronouncing it Irososo. Yeah, yaqonda sithi Rosso. Xa sithi Rosso sifuna uyazi uba ndithetha nge-Oros, yabo. Ndithanda uyipronounce iRososo babethunana, uyabona ke. So yiloo nto bethunana namhlanje mani yabo. I'm chilling, I'm having fun, I'm cooking with who? With Undando. We are enjoying it, Thandwazam. We are enjoying it namhlanje, and I'm really so thankful. Kuni babethunana. Yeah. If you want to watch more, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends, because it's about to start now. And we are young guys. Undando loves plugging us on. So yeah. As guys, I just want to have a conversation with you people. There is this female artist, guys, who I love a lot. I love that girl for real. I really love, guys, Uncle Waffles. And there was this training which was training now on TikTok. Tyler was in one of his fans metric ball. I don't know guys ukuthi yenzeke njani lanto, because it seems like abantu barashem udala shem befuna uTyler aze esikolweni sabo, aze ku matric yabo, benza ne video, hey i-trends zabo zaya viral. It was all that actually, but to just say the truth, Tyler did be there on their matric day, and they had fun, they shooted content. It was like the training thing. So yeah. So guys, I just wanted to speak about my Uncle Waffles. Guys, angazi ukuthi ngubani onomtshelo waffles ukuthi awafuni kukho la ngani kuthandayo la. Yeah guys, there's a lot of people who love Uncle Waffles. I love also Uncle Waffles. Uncle Waffles, guys, she has that American vibe. She has that American vibe. And one day guys, that was an inborn ngenza ama-video no-Waffles ke ndiyacela wena, ndiyacela. So guys, it was yiloo nto bethunana man. Bethunana man guys, man ndicela ubuza ne. Like, I'm not trying to speak about people. No, I'm not speaking about people every single episode of mine. We are cooking with me here. So I just wanted to ask guys, yesterday was a big day. Nana ndilinde izinto zam zigqibe, inoodles zam ndilampe. Dilambile guys. I'm still waiting guys for my noodles to finish, and yeah, it's there actually. So yeah, guys, Betunana. I just wanted to say something, Betunana. I really like Uncle Waffles. Uncle Waffles, guys, has that American vibe, and I don't wanna lie, guys. Like, uba uyamazi kanye u-Uncle Waffles kumngani wakho uzumtshele ukuthi uthi untando uthi ke uyamthanda, guys. Guys, I really like Uncle Waffles, and I wish one day I can have a video with her. Yeah, a video with her. Yo, guys, I really wish to have a video with Uncle Waffles. So yeah. So guys, as I was saying, actually, it's that I'm still waiting. Amehlo wami, guys. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here, Betunana, because in this scope, a lot is going on here. So yeah, Betunana, man, yeah, uyabona. Guys, angazi ukuthi wake yake yakahlela lento, maybe zange yakwahlela because you never cutted this hairstyle ebomini bakho. Mara guys, ngicela ukubuza. Uyaqonda ba ngihawuzelela ngoba sezinywele endinazo kodwa zincinci. Bethunana. Hayi sana bethunana, guys. Yandile Somalia. But no, guys, I just want to cut my nails because this side long nails, this side junk uphukile, which is funeka ndizichebe zonke. Yeah, guys, yeah, man, is that ilonto kaloku bethunana, guys. Awuyazi ba let me shut up. Yo guys, yo ingase nibone umuntu wami guys, lo njona naye no akandigcwalisela sana ngoku wandigcwalisela inxeba abantu asengichebele haircut, wathi ndisusele haircut ekho le knots haircut nails. I was like, baby, please try to understand. He was like, hey, don't do this haircut when ujola man kongo, and I was like, okay, it's fine, okay. But namcenga, guys, just because of I love my boyfriend. Actually, I really love my boyfriend, and namcela what, okay, it's fine only for this week, then next week uchabenqayi fake installation. So guys, so yeah, uyayazi and ngiyamazi ngishaya malapha yo. Now babethunana ndya inoodles zam. I don't know if now uyatya lapha. See you next time.